If your brain looked like your screen time, you'd panic. Constant scrolling, instant hits of dopamine, zero real focus. Most people think they need motivation. What they actually need is a brain reset. Here's a 24-hour dopamine detox backed by science that recalibrates your focus in 24 hours. 1. Eliminate high-dopamine digital stimuli for 24 hours. Constant social media and fast entertainment overstimulate dopamine pathways and weaken attention control. A short digital fast lets your dopamine receptors resensitize, which improves focus and reduces impulsive cravings. 2. Do 60 to 90 minutes of distraction-free deep work. Sustained single-task focus strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for discipline and decision-making. This trains your brain to link dopamine with effort and progress instead of instant gratification. 3. Use moderate physical movement to reset brain chemistry. Walking or light exercise releases balanced dopamine and serotonin that stabilize mood and energy. Unlike artificial stimulation, movement creates steady mental clarity without the spike and crash cycle. 4. Eat low-processed, protein-rich meals. Protein supports steady dopamine production while avoiding the sugar spikes that trigger crashes and cravings. Stable blood sugar improves self-control, concentration, and mental performance. 5. Practice intentional boredom and reflection. Quiet rest activates brain networks tied to creativity and emotional regulation. Learning to sit without stimulation increases tolerance for boredom and reduces compulsive reward-seeking. Do this for one day and your brain starts remembering how to focus without constant stimulation. That reset is where discipline becomes easier and attention becomes yours again.